Hey guys, what up, what is up, what is going on every single person planet of the earth? My name is Fn Multimedia, and today's video I'm gonna be unboxing this very beautiful gaming keyboard. Look at that. Whoa, wow, what the heck?
Unicorn Mouse.
Alright guys, let's get started with the box first. With the packaging, it is a very nice packaging, I see, tidy, and yep, it says design for winner over here, and the model of the gaming keyboard, professional gaming keyboard, and in the front of it we can see it says Professional KBGM 9602 gaming keyboard, adjustable LED light, and stainless steel base board. Wow, that's interesting. And waterproof design. Wow. I have no idea who gonna play this underwater. And 14 Fn Multimedia Key, which is nice for me. Anti-skid design, and window key lock means when you play game and you accidentally press the window button, it will does nothing, so it will not interrupt your gameplay. We have here, we have 3 color. I don't know, you can barely. Yeah, I think this is better. Yeah, we have blue and purple, and the front one is a red color. It is available for Mac, Windows, and Android. Enjoy your better life. Let's see that over here. Yeah, Mac, Windows, and Android. And at the side we have the barcode and everything. Not very important. At the other side we have the keyboard model, the back side of it, which is interesting. We have the guide. Oh, sorry, upside down. It tells you how to use the keyboard, the shortcut for the keyboard, and how to adjust the LED light, how to change the color of it. This is the shortcut of the keyboard. And yep, that's all. Nothing interesting, just like a usual box. Alright, let's unbox it. Okay, we have this thing over here. Let's peel it off. Wait, oh, it's just like that. And let me open it up. Open nice and smooth. Alright, that's it. Bam! Oh. Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. The button. Wait. Look at this. Let me try to put it on back. Hopefully nothing will break. Shit, man. Oh my god. Put it back. I don't think this is the right way. Yep. Thank God nothing happens. Let me see any scratches. Shit, man. No scratches at all. No scratches, because it fall with this plastic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh my god. Look at that. You can clearly see the number and the letter on the keyboard because it is a backlit keyboard, so you have to plug it in and then the light will lit up. And here the thing, the shortcut Fn, we have beautiful. Alright, let's try to plug this in. This is my old keyboard. See here. I've been using Logitech Key 200, and I'm changing to Tiny Tech. This is the back of the keyboard, stainless steel, and look at the wire. Very nice quality build, and yep, very nice design. Let's try. Shit, man. Alright guys, I have plugged it in, and this is how it looks like. How is it, guys? This is how it looks like. Let's change the color. This is blue, purple, and the light is off. Click it again and we start with red color. Click on Fn and push down to make it dimmer, and page up to make it brighter. Yep, that's it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you click on the thumbs up button if you did, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what do you think about that accident. I was so shocked and very I don't know what to say. I'm so scared if anything happened to this keyboard, but I'm lucky there is nothing happened. It is working fine and nice. Yep, you can see that. And yep, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you click on the thumbs up button, and peace out. Ciao. Alright guys, let's get started with the boss first. Wait a minute, what the fuck? Alright guys, let's get started with the boss first. My god, this plastic makes so noise. Alright.
Dolphin attack.